In this video, you'll learn how to effectively share a course on Udemy. By the end of this guide, you will be able to recommend valuable learning resources to others with ease. Begin by logging into your Udemy account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the course you wish to share. After opening the course page, take a moment to review the course details. It is essential to confirm that it is the correct course you want to recommend. This ensures that you are directing others to the right content. Courses on Udemy typically feature preview videos and detailed descriptions that can help potential students understand what they will learn. These elements can significantly enhance the appeal of the course. Next, locate the share option on the course page. This is usually represented by a button or a direct link. Click the share option to copy the course link to your clipboard. By doing this, you will be able to easily paste the link into various platforms such as emails, messages, or social media posts. Sharing this link provides others with direct access to the course page, making it simple for them to explore the content. In some cases, instructors may offer special referral links or coupon codes, which may provide discounts for new students, making the course even more attractive. After you have copied the course link, consider sharing it through different platforms. Popular options include Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or various messaging apps. If you are recommending the course to friends or colleagues, sending it via email is also an effective choice. When sharing, including a brief explanation about why the course is beneficial can encourage more people to enroll. Many learners often rely on recommendations when selecting courses, so your insight can be valuable. Furthermore, sharing useful courses can aid others in discovering valuable learning opportunities. It not only assists potential students in finding quality resources, but also helps instructors reach a broader audience. By promoting courses you believe in, you contribute to the growth of the learning community. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.